Understanding the 5 security layers of QuickBooks hosting. Establishing a secure cloud infrastructure is vital for many industries, and the finance and accounting industry is no exception to this. It is no secret that QuickBooks Cloud hosting has quickly become the preferred choice for businesses of all sizes to host their mission-critical accounting data. This video will take a closer look at the security layers of QuickBooks hosting. Two-Factor Authentication. It's a step during the login process that adds a layer of security. One of the most critical security features of QuickBooks Cloud hosting solution, Two-Factor Authentication, is an extra layer of security on the cloud. Role-based access. QuickBooks Cloud hosting provides an extra layer of security with its role-based access security feature. Only designated users can access the accounting software, keeping sensitive customer data safe. By limiting access to certain features or areas of QuickBooks based on an individual's role, administrators can restrict unauthorized person from making any changes or accessing customer data without permission. Best-in-class IT infrastructure. QuickBooks hosting leverages advanced IT infrastructure and strong security measures to ensure the continuous safety of business data. Leading QuickBooks Cloud hosting providers implement multiple layers of defense, including firewalls, encryption protocols, malicious activity monitoring, and more. Data encryption. This feature ensures that QuickBooks data is encrypted while stored in the cloud and when transferred over both public and private networks. The encryption feature also provides complete protection against any malicious attempt to get unauthorized access to data. Rolling backup. These automated data backups are taken at periodic intervals throughout the day. Rolling backups allow users to restore files in case of accidental data loss or malicious attempts to modify records. Final thoughts. QuickBooks Cloud Hosting Services provides an end-to-end solution for businesses' accounting needs along with complete security.